everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andrei Angelkovski. We're here in Etobicoke. We're in the prime beaches in Toronto, and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. We're here in this house that is perfect for flippers, and as you can see here, we are we're in the Danforth area, and this house, as bad as it looks, can be daunting for most people, but when you look at it from the bigger picture of what you can do with it and what it can eventually become, this is not scary. This is just, you'd be gutting all this anyway. So let me just show you a little bit about this house and to see what a really gross, disgusting house looks like. So take a look around. Let's take a look at the kitchen here. Well, half the kitchen's here, but the other half is in here. I don't know how long I can stay in here for because the stench is horrible. There's a bat. The basement's a dungeon, but I'd love to show you the upstairs first because that was my that's the highlight. I'll be honest with you, I'm not even sure if anyone's in here. I'm going to have to look in there. What do you think of that? And that's what I call a renovator's dream. Talk to you soon.